bringing you up every time. Thank you
Oh
so
no,
much.
it's actually my, and trust me, Bhavna, and trust I want everybody to know this. Look, this is very random. Okay, there is no thought process. It's
I
just
must,
very
I must
random.
say, I must first want to thank Mr. Gloasters. I've never known that there are so many energies around, and with only your help, I've come to know so much of wisdom. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhavna. The team sends their wishes to you for your thank you. Thank you. Upaji, please go ahead.
Yes. So Bhavna, are you looking for some money opportunities?
Ma'am, very badly.
Um, uh,
Actually, to begin with, this is the house that I'm currently staying in. It's just been 2 months that I've shifted to this house.
and this from last 2 months, like you had shifted here, money inflow is
Yes,
not very well.
ma'am, it is
Outflow is,
affected badly.
sorry.
Inflow is affected badly.
Yes, in fact, inflow is affected badly because two toilets are coming in the north direction.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Because of that reason. So, what you can do, because it is coming there, you can just place a dark green color mat there,
Ma'am, there are two toilets, so in both the
both in
toilets.
both the toilets,
Okay, ma'am.
dark green color mats.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
That will help. So anyone who is having the dark no, toilets in the north direction, finance will be a issue to get the good opportunities or getting the good money flow will be difficult. So place a dark green color mat there.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And there is a one gift in the call. Stay till that time. It is to enrich your money luck.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So because I'm just giving the
Actually,
remedy to pacify. That's why I shared. There is one gift.
one thing I wanted to share. I mean, first my husband was in job, and we have been shifting to so many locations, and like even staying in the same city, we never stayed in the same house for more than a year. So it's been like since past 6 to 7 years we are wandering around, and now that we have shifted to this place and we are entering in a business with his brother only is joining. So
Hmm.
again we are facing the issue. We left our own flat, and within a year we have shifted to this new place rented. For God knows what reason, we are not getting that stability in life.
Okay, for that we have to check the horoscope because
Okay.
in his horoscope there might be the Saturn is not in a good place.
Okay.
That's why stability has become a issue. Okay, and like in this particular home where you are staying right now, there is a entrance from the west northwest. So this is also indicating you will not stay for a long time in this home.
Oh my God. Not again.
Don't bother. Do this remedy and
Fine, ma'am.
let's see what happens.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna get. I'm actually looking for Hemang, and I'm going to ask Silpa to help me here because I can see two Hemangs. Is it Hemang only Hemang, or Hemang Delay? Who do I need to get on? Who do we get on? Just please let me know. And in the meantime, before we get Hemang on, I'm getting somebody else on, which would be um, Jyoti. So just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, Jyoti, we will need you on video. I've sent you a request to start your video. Okay, sorry, I'm not getting Jyoti here right now. So we're going to go back to Hemang. And here is Hemang. Hi.
Hi. Hello, Hemang.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah, fine, ma'am.
Okay. So, uh, in the map which you had shared, there
Yes.
is toilet in the southeast direction.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, and there is one more toilet which is in between northeast.
Yeah, correct.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So there are some. You are doing job.
I was doing earlier.
Huh?
Right now, I'm working, looking after my family work.
Family work.
Yeah.
Okay. So like you are already doing the family work, so you are not able to use your skills properly,
Yeah, yeah, correct.
and there are some difference of opinion with the father.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So because you are not able to use your skills, uh, and this related to father issue, because the toilet which is coming in between the east and northeast direction, that is known as east of northeast, that toilet is creating issues and job because of some differences from the seniors, or you are not able to get the proper according to your expectation, you have to leave that job and came in the family business.
Yeah, yeah. Sort of. Yeah, correct, ma'am.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So in this in this east northeast direction, you can just place a light yellow color mat in the bathroom. Place a light yellow color mat, or if you can place a white, that will also be good. White or off white. So that is for everyone. If there is a toilet more towards east and northeast, not exact east, but a little bit towards northeast, that toilet creates the differences with the seniors or anyone who is in the authority. Like if you are going to any office, so anyone who is there as a authority, one will face the issues. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Hemant.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.